Hello and welcome to our recording today for United Certifications. I'd like to welcome everyone and especially our guest, Mattijs. Welcome, and he's one of our main authors for the Testing Fundamentals for Software Engineering. Please, first question, who are you? Please tell us something about yourself, Mattijs.
Well, I'm Mattijs. I live in the Netherlands, in a small town in the very north. And I've been a software tester for like 24 years.
Awesome. And how did you enter the world of testing? You say you've been there for 24 years. That's quite a time. Was it your initial intent to work in the area of quality assurance?
Actually, it wasn't. But I finished university and I applied to several jobs. And I applied at one governmental institution. And I actually wanted to become a software developer. However, at the company, they said, sure, you can be a developer, but we have this policy that all of our developers start with testing. So you have to test a year first. And actually, at the moment, I didn't know what software testing was. And but I enrolled and I started as a tester, and I learned quickly about software testing, and I actually quite liked it.
And so now we've gone from a loop starting in the background of working in or wanting to be a developer and having the education as a developer. What would then inspire you to create a course now for testing fundamentals for software engineers?
Well, I started at the first company and I worked there for like 3 years, and they were very much into decision table testing, and they tested almost all their software with decision tables. And I quite like making decision tables. However, I think it's sometimes for simple processes or for simple screens, for instance, a bit too much. So I started to think, how can I test this in a different way? I started to buy some books about testing and read a bit about testing. And I worked out some different approaches to software testing as well. I was at the company for like 3 years, and then I joined an other company where I worked in secondment at various other companies, and I've done that for like 10 to 15 years after that. And I've seen a lot of different environments in software testing, and it made me very aware that different organizations have different processes, and you cannot use the same approach always. You have to adjust your approach to the situation, to the context.
Oh, thank you so much. It's great to have you as an author of this course. And if you want to have more information about it, please never hesitate to check our next video.